Hi, welcome to Naswari channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset Epson L3110. First, you must download this resetter. Before you download, it's better you disable all of your antivirus include Windows real-time protection in Windows 10. In here, I disable for temporary my Windows real-time protection with temper protection. And then you can extract the resetter after you download. Now, open your resetter. After that, you can open adjustment programs like this. In here, you will prompt the license ID. You can copy first and then open the keygen in here and put your key that copy out and paste in license ID. And for the name, you can fill with whatever you want. For example, I put with nosware.com, and then we can generate with new key in here and copy this new key. Now enter this new key into your adjustment program. Enter the key in here, then click OK. Voila! Now you can start to resetting your Epson L3110 and then choose OK. Select particular adjustment mode and then choose was impact counter and click OK. Tick in the main pad counter. After you tick in the main pad counter, please click button check in here. After you click button check, please click button initialize while this main pad counter is still in the ticking. And then click finish and you can turn off your computers or your printer then you can turn on it again. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.